guys. So mga attempt na punta karon og sakay og tram.
Second attempt.
Second attempt.
-1 kami, -1.
First attempt, late na mi, so muna siya nga, wala mi nakasakay sa tram. But now, sigurado na mga early mi para makasakay mi sa tram.
Some tickets yeah, good for 6 adults. We're only 5. No, that's all right. So just double check this. As soon as I find my glasses in my deep pockets, let's have a look. Let's see. So there. Jump in and grab some seats.
Yay!
Wait for the other one, the blue one. There's a blue one like this.
I don't want the blue.
Diyan mo nga na eh.
Here we are now on Cashel Mall. This used to be Cashel Street up until about the 1980s. It's been made pedestrian only as part of the City Mall project. Now, believe it or not, there's only new look is brand new since the earthquakes. The city itself has managed to regenerate at an incredibly fast pace after the earthquakes. Now, the one thing I really do love about my new city is just how pedestrian friendly it is. We now have a system of laneways and courtyards which punch through all of the inner city blocks. Makes it a lot of fun to explore by foot. Coming up on the left, the 5 lanes laneway system through the BNZ Centre. Have a look to the left, you'll see all the shops and the food options. Wave your credit card around and everybody's just going to love you to bits. Official figures are out. This area has one of the largest concentration of shoe shops anywhere in the country. The last count was 23 different shops. I reckon it's only 21 though. I refuse to count Ugg boots and Crocs as shoes. Have a look to the right, that's Market Lane, another laneway. Head down there, you'll find a Fresh Choice inner city supermarket. It's got a really good delicatessen down there as well. Well worth a visit if you've got coming down to the lights here at Manchester Street. Look to the left, you'll be able to catch a glimpse of the stadium over on the skyline. Takaha's our 30,000 seat multi-purpose covered stadium. Originally budgeted to cost us about 680 million New Zealand dollars. And oddly enough, it came in under budget by about 20 million, so there's much celebrating with that. Comes pedestrian only, leading people straight ahead down to the main gates. Eventually, the dream is all the way along here on the right-hand side. This is all going to be restaurants, cafes, and bars with outdoor dining. Of course, the idea is if you are off to the stadium to an event, first of all, come out here to the hospitality zones here in the Seoul district. Grab yourself a bite to eat, have a meal or two, a couple of drinks, off to the stadium. Sounds a great way of spending an afternoon. This part of town, grab yourself a coffee. We're now heading back up High Street. If you really want to rub shoulders with the locals later on tonight, Smash Palace here on the right hand side. It's one of the best places in town to visit the country. So many people are now coming to Christchurch to be a part of it, especially coming down from the North Island, leaving behind the rat race in the larger North Island cities like Auckland and Tauranga. And coming down here with the pace of life is just a wee bit slower. And this is tram stop number 8 for High Street. new buildings in the inner city is only about 28 metres. Dull days that we had all this week, you still get light all the way down to street level. All the brand new buildings in town, all being built to withstand earthquakes up to about 8.5 on the Richter scale. Just as a comparison, the 4 major quakes that we did have 15 years ago, basically all around the range of around about 6 to the 7s on the Richter scale. So hopefully the brand new buildings will do a much better job at standing up in future earthquakes. One of the biggest problems with the area is most of the buildings are built on a swamp. Getting around the back of the Anglican Cathedral worksite, the cathedral itself, the building is on hold. It was found to be substantially worse off than home to the OGB bar. You see the people sitting out the front just enjoying the weather. Nicely hidden behind those shades. Stop the breeze coming through. One of the best bars here in central Christchurch. Here to the right, this is our Antarctic mural. Now Christchurch has always been one of the main gateways down to Antarctica. Initially for the early exploration expeditions, but these days of course the members of the scientific community. Our fantastic library to the right, this is Turanga. So many great spots to curl up in there with a good book and watch the world go by. First floor, of course, all set aside for the kids. All of activities, puzzles and games. To the right of the tram, this is our brilliant convention centre, Te Pai, the gathering place. The building has well over 43,000 tiles on the outside of it. The shapes and colours inspired by the many shingle rivers here in Canterbury. Recently voted one of the best convention centres in Oceania. Now coming down to tram stop number 2 for Cathedral Square. From here, Graham's going to take over. He'll take you all the way down Worcester Boulevard, down towards the Arts Precinct, the Arts Centre, the Art Gallery, and the Botanical Gardens. Tram stops 10, 11, 12, and 13. It looks like people might be missing.
Change driver.
Tram's come past each stop, maybe 10 minutes or so. And here we are at the top of the Worcester Street Bridge. Great views of the Avon River on Takara on the left and right hand side.
Avon River.
Stop number 10. Tribes celebrating the 3 tribes of iwi of the Christchurch area. Right, the Puna, source over to 5 o'clock, free admission there as well. This is stop number 11 for the Art Gallery and the pop-up museum. The Art Gallery is also open to 5 o'clock, free admission, stop number 11. Just on our right hand side there's second poles with the sail-like shapes on top. Press the art. As I just mentioned, the Ravenscar House, a wonderful art collection. It's on the right hand side. $25 charge to get in there, it's well worth it. On our left hand side, this is Christ College, the oldest, most prestigious school in New Zealand. Been on this site here since 8. Very shortly to the front left of the tram across the Armagh Street Bridge, you'll see a very small part of the over 400 acres that make up Hagley Park, one of the largest urban parks in the world. Across to the left, the Avon River flowing into the Hamish Hay Bridge, the oldest bridge in Christchurch, towards the town hall, the ferry of fountains. Nice part of Christchurch to wander around. It's been Charlie selling vanilla ice cream as well since 1903. New Caribbean, new Charlie, say yummy recipe. Stop 17 for Victoria Square. There's a statue of Queen Victoria which was unveiled in 1903. That was the year the series name was changed from Marketplace to Victoria Square. Stop 17. No other in Christchurch, a colourful, vibrant street full of award-winning cafes, bars, restaurants and boutique shops. The street was designed and built as a complete street rather than a series of individual buildings until 1932. Over on the left-hand side of the green dome we can see there's the Evans Band Rotunda, gifted to Christchurch in 1929 by Thomas Evans, the Evans baking family, world famous in Christchurch business. Let's turn right into New Regent Street. Stop number 18.
New Regent Street.
Stop number 18, New Regent Street. This train will start the journey all over again. Full circuit takes just on 50 minutes. You've got to stay aboard as long as you want, but hop off and try one of the trams out. We have 4 trams out today. Every tram every stop about every 10 to 12 minutes. At stop 1 you'll also find our ticket office where you can upgrade your daily tram pass to an annual pass. You can buy tickets to Mount Cavendish Gondola, Punting on the Avon, Botanic Gardens tours or an ever popular nighttime restaurant tram.
Did you have fun, Kuya Enzo?
Bus na ta.
Oh, bus na ta? Bus na ta? Okay, so that's all, guys. Bye.